So far, we've really focused on the online and digital resources available to get kids programming. But of course, there are a whole heap of offline options, with one of the best being books. Prior to the internet, when I was learning to code, books were the number one resource, and I used to sleep with Apple's HyperCard manual next to my bed for light reading. The collection of following books look at the topics we've discussed over this course, and are all written directly for kids learning to code or aimed at early progress programmers. The first book is Python for Kids. So Python for Kids is written to be fun and engaging and involve both the child and the parent in the world of programming. It uses humour and example programs that feature ravenous monsters, secret agents, thieving ravens, and more to engage kids and keep programming fun. Code in the book is also coloured for clarity, dissected and explained, and full colour illustrations keep things on the lighter side. Each chapter ends with programming puzzles, and by the end of the book, your kids will have programmed 2 complete games. So this book looks predominantly at the Python programming language and is suitable for kids over the age of 10. As one of the most popular ways of introducing kids to programming, there are a good number of books based on Scratch. Super Scratch Programming Adventures is one of the more recent and popular publications and is a full-colour comic which makes it a whole lot of fun. It makes programming concepts like flow control, subroutines, data types simple for kids to understand using this visual format. In the book, kids learn programming fundamentals as they make their own playable video games, and they'll create projects inspired from some of the real classics. So the book looks predominantly at Scratch, and it's best suited for kids aged 5 and up. Recently published and directed at kids who are keen to make games for the web, 3D game programming for kids is a good choice if your kids are a little more advanced and are looking to branch out with their coding. The book takes kids through exercises such as creating a 3D player in a 3D world, with a focus on making it as realistic and playable as possible, learning space simulations, puzzle games, mini-games, and games that simulate real-world physics. So although a little bit more advanced, this is the type of book that can really help your kids take their programming to the next level. Once again, this book looks at JavaScript and is best suited for ages 10 and up. A Tale of Friends, Enemies and Minecraft is a hugely popular book based on the even more popular game of Minecraft that we discussed earlier. This book is actually written by a 10-year-old Jake Mayer. The book is a fictional story that will delight any Minecraft fans and inspire any others to get involved in this brilliantly creative digital world. Although not a reference book as such, this is the kind of reading that will inspire young readers to take a leap into the game, or, in reverse, encourage young gamers to get into reading. Either way, it's a win-win. So there's no specific programming language for this book, as it is fiction, and it's best suited for ages 7 and up. Once your kids or class have a Raspberry Pi in their hot little hands, it's hard to make those first steps and kick off the first successful project. This is where getting started with Raspberry Pi fits in. This book is cheap and cheerful, and it will take your kids step by step through many fun and educational possibilities that the Raspberry Pi can be used for. Looking at several of the preloaded programming languages, creating internet-connected projects, playing with multimedia, and many more instructions, tutorials and project ideas, this book is the best way to get your kids started with their Raspberry Pi. So the book will look at a number of different languages, Linux, Scratch and Python, all very good bases for kids learning programming, and it's best suited for ages 7 and up. As such a powerful game-making tool, there are many facets to understanding Unity in full. Definitely a book for kids who are familiar with Unity and programming already. This text takes a practical approach, introducing concepts of developing 3D games before getting to grips with development in Unity itself. From creating 3D worlds to scripting and creating game mechanics, your kids will learn everything they need to get started with game development. The book is designed to cover a set of easy-to-follow examples, which culminate in production of a first-person 3D game, complete with an interactive island environment. The book looks at Unity itself, C# and JavaScript, so it is for higher-level programmers, and it's best suited for ages 10 and up. Not specifically a book about programming, this book has been the catalyst to spark creative chords with many young readers. As one of the most iconic figures of modern technology, the story of Steve Jobs is an inspiration and one worth knowing for any budding programmer or creative. As one happy parent commented, "This book made a reader out of my 11-year-old son. If your child is into iPods, iPhones, or any technology, then they will love this book." It was highly inspiring for him as well. So as an alternative to a textbook, this is a really good book to get your kids excited and interested in programming. It doesn't cover any specific language and is best suited for kids aged 10 and up. The last book I'm going to look at is a bit more of a joke than a programming resource. HTML for Babies is a book designed by a New York City web designer for his own child. The book is a fun and colourful introduction to the world of web design for babies, and although a little ridiculous, they do say it's never too early to get your kids coding.